Ever found yourself juggling multiple scheduling tools, desperately trying to find a time that works for everyone? It's a nightmare, right? Endless email chains, double bookings, and the frustration of playing calendar Tetris. I've been there, and I'm guessing you have too. That's why today, we're diving into a game changer for streamlining your scheduling, creating calendar invites directly within HubSpot meetings. This is a powerful feature that can save you tons of time and headaches, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Think about it. You're already using HubSpot for your sales and marketing, so why not leverage it to simplify your meeting scheduling as well? No more switching between platforms, no more manual calendar entries. Everything is centralized, organized, and efficient. This not only improves your own productivity, but also creates a more professional and seamless experience for your clients or colleagues. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why this is so important. Effective scheduling is crucial for building strong relationships. It shows respect for other people's time and demonstrates your own organizational skills. A streamlined process eliminates confusion and reduces the chances of miscommunication or missed appointments. Plus, let's be honest, it just makes you look good. Nobody wants to be the person sending out a flurry of emails trying to reschedule a meeting for the third time. So let's get down to it. How do you actually create a calendar invite in HubSpot meetings? It's actually quite straightforward, and I'm going to break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll need to have a HubSpot account, obviously, and you'll need to be using the HubSpot Meetings tool. If you're not already familiar with it, don't worry. It's incredibly user-friendly, and there are plenty of resources available to get you started. We might even create a separate video on that if you're interested. Just let me know in the comments below. Okay, assuming you're all set up with HubSpot meetings, the first step is to schedule your meeting as you normally would. This might involve selecting a meeting type, choosing a date and time, and specifying the duration. You can also customize the meeting link and add any relevant details. This is where you lay the groundwork for your calendar invite. Now, here's the magic part. Once you've scheduled the meeting, HubSpot automatically generates a calendar invite. This invite includes all the essential information, such as the meeting title, date, time, location, if applicable, and a link to join the meeting. It also includes the names and email addresses of the participants. But the real beauty of this feature is that you don't have to manually create and send the invite. HubSpot does it all for you. When you share the meeting link with your invitees, they are automatically prompted to add the event to their own calendars. It's a one-click process that eliminates the need for any manual entry. Let's walk through a quick example. Let's say you're scheduling a sales demo with a potential client. You've set up the meeting in HubSpot, chosen a time that works for both of you, and added the client's email address. When you send them the meeting link, they'll see a clear call to action to add the event to their calendar. With a single click, the meeting will be added to their Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or whatever calendar platform they use. No more copying and pasting, no more manual entries. It's all handled seamlessly by HubSpot. Now, you might be wondering, what if I need to make changes to the meeting? That's a great question, and HubSpot has you covered there too. If you need to reschedule or update any details, you can do so directly within HubSpot. And the best part? HubSpot will automatically send an updated calendar invite to all the participants, ensuring everyone is always on the same page. No more confusion about outdated meeting invites. This feature is particularly useful for sales teams, as it streamlines the process of scheduling demos, follow-up calls, and other important meetings. It also helps marketing teams schedule webinars, workshops, and other events. But really, anyone who schedules meetings can benefit from this functionality. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or part of a large organization, HubSpot's calendar invite feature can simplify your life and improve your productivity. Another great advantage of using HubSpot for your calendar invites is the integration with other HubSpot tools. For example, you can track meeting attendance, follow up with participants after the meeting, and even use meeting data to personalize your marketing efforts. This level of integration is what makes HubSpot such a powerful platform for businesses of all sizes. So, to recap, creating a calendar invite in HubSpot meetings is as simple as scheduling your meeting and sharing the link. HubSpot takes care of the rest, automatically generating and sending the invite to all the participants. This eliminates manual entry, reduces the risk of errors, and ensures everyone is on the same page. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds great, but is it really that easy? The answer is yes. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. But if you're still feeling a bit unsure, I encourage you to try it out for yourself. The best way to learn is by doing. And if you get stuck, HubSpot has excellent documentation and support resources available to help you. One final tip: make sure you customize your meeting invite settings in HubSpot to reflect your brand and preferences. You can customize the meeting title, add a description, and even include your company logo. This helps create a professional and consistent experience for your invitees. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating calendar invites in HubSpot meetings. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to streamline your scheduling process. This simple feature can make a huge difference in your productivity and help you build stronger relationships with your clients and colleagues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.